Welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. We have to solve exercise 8.2 question number 4. Question is given that find the value of sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degree upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Clear? Now we have to solve this question. We know that the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and tan 45 is equal to 1. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 2. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 2. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 and sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 and cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is equal to 1. Clear? We have to sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and cot 45 degree is equal to this. Clear? Any doubt? Now we have to put these value in given question. So we have to sin 30, that means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus tan 45 plus 1 by 1. Cosec 60 degree minus cosec 60 degree, that means 2 by root 3. Clear? Upon sec 30, that means 2 by root 3 plus cos 60, that means 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 1. Clear? Now we have to take LCM of numerator. So LCM will be 2 root 3. Clear? Of this data. 2 root 3 divided by 2 and get 1. 2 root 3. Root 3 multiplied by 1. So it will be root 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 1. So it will be 2 root 3 and we multiply 2 root 3 with 1 and becomes 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 and it becomes 2. 2 multiplied by 2 and becomes 4 upon here 3 and root 3 and 2 LCM will be 2 root 3. Also we divide by root 3 with this, so it will be 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 it becomes 4. Clear? Plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 and becomes root 3, it will be multiplied by 1 and becomes root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 3 and becomes 2 root 3, it will be multiplied from 1 and become 2 root 3. Clear? Any doubt? Now root 3 plus 2 root 3, it becomes 3 root 3. 3 root 3 plus minus 4 upon 2 root 3. upon root 3 plus 2 root 3. It becomes 3 root 3 plus 4 upon 2 root 3. Clear? Again, we have to reciprocal of this data, 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3 multiply 2 root 3 upon 3 root 3 minus plus 4. It will be cancelled from this and we get 3 root 3 minus 4 and we get 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. We have to rationalize this data and 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4 multiply 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. Clear? Here this a minus b and a minus b, so it will be 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon a plus b into a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square, that means 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Clear? Now it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2ab 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24 root 3 plus cos 16 upon here 27 minus 16. Clear? Any doubt? 3 root 3 square है. How to this get? 3 root 3 multiply 3 root 3. 3 root of 3 whole square equal to 3 3s are 9 multiply root 3 multiply root 3, it becomes 3, so we get 9 3s are 27. Clear? Now 27 plus 16, 27 plus 16 it becomes 43 is equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16, it becomes 11. That is answer. This is answer. Clear? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.